Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and configure multi-language support in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in our Shopify, and the first thing that we'll need to do is go here into the search bar, and from here type in eTranslate. Once you have typed it, all you have to do is wait for it to load and click here and search for eTranslate in the Shopify App Store. So click on it, and once you're done, you will be seeing this app right here, eTranslate Language Translate, and you want to click on it because this is what we'll be using, and click here on Add App. And you want to wait for it to load, and let's wait for it. And here we are, and what's left is click here on Install App right there. And once you're done, then you just have to wait for it to load right here, and let's just wait. And as you can see, we are now right here. So the first thing that we will need to do is manage our languages. So click here on Manage Language. And let's wait for it to load. And we can add a target language right here. So click on Add Target Language, and you can see all the languages available right here. So let's say I want to add Spanish, Russian, and just like that. Or you could also add more if you'd like, but in my case, I'll just go for these two languages right here. So for me, this is enough. So click on Done once you're done, and you want to wait for it to load. And as you can see, we have now the Spanish and Russian, and you want to make sure that you publish it. So enable it right here by tapping this button right here, and make sure that AI Translate is available. So click on Unavailable and click on Enable right here. And as you can see, I need to upgrade my plan. You have reached the limit of this feature in your current plan. Please upgrade to unlock more. So you would really need to upgrade your plan if you would want to avail the AI Translate. But as you can see, I cannot do it. So let's see here, click on Manage right here. So let's say we want to go for Spanish first. So click on Manage on Spanish. And from here, you would be prompted into this page right here. But as you can also see here in the notice, it says the function of this module is to deeply integrate with Shopify. If you are a free user, you don't need to operate the translation on this page, and your store can still be translated properly. So that means you don't really need to operate here. And all you need to do is go back after you have successfully turned on the language here to publish, and make sure you toggle that on, and all that's left is go into your store. So click here on Online Store, and you can view your store right here by clicking this button. So click on it, and when you go here into your store, you can see here that you have the language options at the bottom left, and you can switch from English, Russian, and Spanish because this is the language that we have published and added. So when I click on Russian right here, as you can see, it would be translated to Russian. As you can see, some of it are only translated to Russian, not all of them, because I only have a free plan. So if you are looking forward into this and you want to make it full use of all of it, like everything is translated into the language that you desire, then you would need to upgrade your plan right here. But that is basically on how you use and integrate your Shopify store into a multi-language store. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.